Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best permanent makeup machines you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're a professional artist or a beginner looking to perfect your skills, we've rounded up the best options to suit every need. Stick around till the end to find your perfect match. And don't forget to check the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Pinkiou Wireless Micropigmentation Pen. This sleek frosted alloy machine features an ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended sessions. Its lightweight build and embedded lithium battery allow for 2 hours of continuous use, making it great for quick touch-ups or smaller jobs. The motor boasts 3 adjustable speed settings, reaching up to 35,000 RPM, which is impressive for this price range. While the Pinkiou pen excels in portability and ease of use, its performance is best suited for beginners or artists focused on fine details like eyeliner or lip liner pigmentation. The embedded on-off button design adds a layer of safety, preventing accidental presses during operation. However, it lacks the flexibility of more advanced machines, as it doesn't include needles or ink in the kit, which can be limiting for users who want a complete setup out of the box. Overall, the Pinkiou wireless pen is an excellent choice for those who need a simple, travel-friendly machine for basic micropigmentation techniques. The lightweight design and solid battery life are definite pros, but the lack of included accessories and lower power output compared to other models place it at number 5 on our list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Y-Beauty Permanent Eyebrow Makeup Tattoo Machine Kit in pink. This kit is packed with features, including a rechargeable lithium battery with up to 4 hours of operation, adjustable speed settings ranging from 10,000 to an impressive 15,000 RPM, and 15 versatile cartridge needles for a variety of applications. The needle adjustment mechanism is user-friendly, making it easier for artists to achieve precision results when working on brows, lips, or eyeliner. The Y-Beauty kit stands out as a versatile option thanks to its comprehensive set of accessories, including practice skins, ink cups, and symmetrical eyebrow markers. This makes it particularly appealing for beginners looking to hone their skills. However, while the machine performs well for microblading and microshading, the slightly lower battery life compared to other models and moderate vibration during operation might not be ideal for long sessions. This kit is perfect for beginners and professionals who want a reliable machine for everyday use. Its rich accessory bundle ensures you have everything you need to get started, but the moderate vibration and shorter battery runtime keep it from climbing higher on our list. At number 3, we have the Y-Beauty Microblading Kit in Rose Gold. This is a complete package for microblading artists and beginners alike, offering everything you need to get started. The kit includes a wireless tattoo machine, 2 rechargeable 500 mAh power supplies, 20 individually packaged needles, and even practice skins for training. The motor is coreless, delivering stable operation with adjustable speeds ranging from 6,000 to 12,000 RPM, ensuring precise results for brows, lips, and eyeliner work. What sets this kit apart is its rich accessory bundle, including a wide range of eyebrow shaping tools and multiple ink colors formulated specifically for microblading. Additionally, the machine's lightweight design and durable build make it comfortable to use for extended periods. However, with a battery runtime of only 5 hours at 4-volt output, it falls slightly short compared to higher capacity models. Overall, the Y-Beauty Microblading Kit is a fantastic mid-range option for those who want a complete solution without breaking the bank. The comprehensive accessories and beginner-friendly design make it a great gift or starter kit, but the shorter battery life and mid-range RPM keep it at number 3. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Dragonhawk Atom2 Tattoo Pen Machine Kit. This machine is designed for versatility, offering both cordless and corded operation. Weighing just 3.88 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and ergonomic, making it ideal for long sessions without fatigue. Its smart screen and 5 built-in operation modes, lining, shading, eyeliner, lip, and eyebrow, set it apart as a professional-grade tool with advanced features. The Atom2 is compatible with all standard cartridge needles, providing flexibility for artists who like to customize their tools. The kit also includes 2 batteries, 20 needles, and tattoo ink, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. However, while it excels in precision and comfort, the price and advanced features might be overkill for beginners who don't need professional-level functionality. The Dragonhawk Atom2 is a top-tier choice for professionals and experienced artists who value precision and versatility. Its lightweight design and smart memory features are big pros, but the higher price point and advanced features make it better suited for seasoned users rather than beginners. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Charme Princesse wireless permanent makeup machine. This elegant rose gold machine is as functional as it is stylish, featuring a 5W motor that operates quietly and stays cool during long sessions. Its aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while reducing vibration, making it easier to grip and control. The wireless design adds convenience, allowing you to switch between battery power and AC/DC adapter use seamlessly. This machine truly shines in its versatility, supporting a wide range of applications, including permanent eyebrows, lip liner, eyeliner, and even tattoo shading. The included 15 EN40 needles offer flexibility for different techniques, while the water-resistant design ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. However, the absence of bundled inks or additional accessories means you'll need to purchase those separately, which might be a drawback for beginners. The Charme Princesse wireless machine ranks as number 1 for its exceptional build quality, versatile performance, and user-friendly design. It's perfect for professionals who demand reliability and precision, but its minimalist accessory package might not be ideal for those just starting out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect permanent makeup machine. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe for more expert reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.